It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
Damn, who knew? All the planes we flew, good things we've been through, that I'll be standing right here talking to you about another path. I know we love to hit the road and laugh, but something told me that it wouldn't last. Had to switch up, look at things different, see the bigger picture. Those were the days, hard work for.
In a scenario where your case, the white in the white corner color points upwards, and you cannot align the color to its center, you don't panic. What you just do, you just follow the simple line I taught you. By doing, you watch what I do here. R, U, R prime. Then when the white faces downwards, you go up again, R, U, R prime. Then in that position, you can say I aligned it to its center. Then I do the last step I already taught you from the other stages, from the other scenarios. You do R, U, R prime. And in that case, you're done. And another instance to green and red, you do R, U, R prime. Then you go up again, you do it again, R, U, R prime. Then R, U, R prime.